we've got another good one. This is going to be over the simulation hypothesis. Are we living in a computer simulation? A lot of people, like to make jokes or pretend that the possibility doesn't exist. But it's probably very close to being an actual reality when you start looking at different things. Could our reality be nothing more than just a computer generated simulation? The idea that we may be living in a simulation or a simulated reality is more than just science fiction. It's a legitimate, thought provoking hypothesis that has been explored by philosophers, scientists, and even entrepreneurs. Tesla, Elon Musk. However, how probable is this scenario and how can we test it? So, the simulation hypothesis proposes that our reality is a computer generated program by a highly advanced civilization. Think aliens, right? Or maybe artificial intelligence, since we've already popped the top on that one. Are we just playing characters in a game? Are we all literally just NPCs? Is this all the product of determinism? What is it? Do we have free will? Those are real questions. Or is there infinite possibilities? The concept is based on the exponential increase in computing power in recent decades, the possibility that we may one day be able to create a virtual world that is indistinguishable from the real one. Kind of similar to one of my previous videos on Project Bluebeam. If we can create a simulation that's identical to our own reality, why wouldn't our own existence be a simulation as well? Think about that. That's very intriguing. So this hypothesis gained a lot of traction, at least fairly recently in the past few years, thanks to Musk, who stated that there's basically 1,000,000,000 to 1 chance that we're living in base reality. However, his reasoning isn't simply a hunch. Musk believes that soon our technology will be able to be producing even more realistic virtual reality environments. So our beliefs, basically, that we're living in a real life might become less credible over time. It's a very, very deep topic whenever you start thinking about it that way. Speaking of deep, philosophers and scientists also debated the possibility of the simulation hypothesis. One argument supporting this theory is that our understanding of physics is consistent with the idea of a simulated universe. Think about that. Physics is essentially leading us to believe we're in a simulated universe. Some theories suggest that the perfect mathematical constants that tie together many scientific principles could be the results of a civilization trying to program an artificial universe. Additionally, the fact that we have yet to observe anything beyond the limits of our own universe could be seen as evidence of simulation theory as well. But how can we test this hypothesis? Well, science can't really prove that our reality is a simulation with 100% certainty. However, some scientists are exploring what they believe to be hallmarks of a simulated universe, such as an upper limit to energy of cosmic rays, a fundamental unit of time and space that might become apparent, and certain glitches in our own universe that can be predicted by a simulated reality. However, the truth of all these evidences could be explained by other natural phenomena or theories. Despite not being able to totally prove the simulation hypothesis, it has become the subject of fascination for many people.